A nativity crib set, also known as a nativity scene, is a beautiful representation of the birth of Jesus Christ. The scene typically includes the Holy Family Mary, Joseph, and the newborn Jesus lying in a manger along with animals present at his birth, such as a donkey and an ox. Nativity crib sets come in a variety of sizes and materials, from simple wooden figures to intricate porcelain or ceramic sculptures. The nativity set is often placed in homes, churches, or public spaces, serving as a reminder of the spiritual significance of Christmas. The tradition of displaying a nativity set dates back to the 13th century, when Saint Francis of Assisi is believed to have created the first live nativity scene in Italy. Over time, these displays became a popular way for families to reflect on the nativity story, especially for children. The figures symbolize hope, humility, and the miraculous nature of Christ's birth, reminding viewers of the true meaning of Christmas. Wonderland Garden Arts and Craft. We deal in wholesale and retail, directly imported and Indian home and garden decor products. Please call us and visit us.